In this video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate object in Planner 5D. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is planner5d.com. Once you're in there, proceed to click onto this sign up option in order to sign up for an account. Now, if you already have an account, you can also click onto this sign in option that we can see into this part. So let's proceed to actually sign in because I already have my own design. Now here is my actual design. So you can find it right here. We have in here our actual object. In order to actually rotate specific object, just head over and choose right here how you want it to be. Like for example, you can get access to it for the interior as well as some other option. You can click on them and you can see this icon, which means to flip it horizontally or also to flip it vertically depending on the changes that you have. You can also click on this icon, which is the icon for rotate. So you can proceed to click on this in order to rotate it right here, depending on your liking. So as you can see right here, you can also just change it and also access the actual angle added to it. So we have in here a lot of options to actually rotate a particular object based on this. You can change the levitation, the dimension, the thickness, and for this case is all of the things that we have. Just drag and drop it and rotate it however you want, and as you can see, it will be rotated just like that. You can just select the object and rotate it as much as you want. So as you can see, it's just as easy as that. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment them down below into our comment section, and we'll try our best to answer. Thank you so much for watching.